Hello, everyone. Yay, it's me, Angela, with Earrings by Angela and Earrings by Angela J School. And you're probably wondering how or why does she have two identities? It's because I am a jewelry artist and an instructor. So, hello, that's why I'm on here teaching you stuff. Yay. So let's get started with our Jewelry Tip Tuesday. And we're going to talk about your signature. Whoa, what does that mean? That means your signature is something that people identify you by, right? So a lot of my students say, Angela, I know it's you because you're always saying that something is delicious, which I do. Everything is delicious. Now, when I worked in the school system, my coworker, Mr. Al, used to say, Angela, you cannot get on the phone with these parents and say that is delicious, especially when you're talking to fellas. I didn't know. I'm just like, whatever. So, anyway, your signature. So, if you are making jewelry, which, duh, you clicked on this video, so hopefully you're making jewelry. Um, what is your signature? What do your clients, your followers know you by? Right? So, let's talk about that. Um, how do you say, okay, do you have a favorite piece that you like to create and they just keep buying it over and over, like, oh, I love this piece, and oh, I knew that was you because I saw this on your table, and even though we're at the craft fair and you were not by your table and you forgot your signs, I know this piece and I know that is what you represent. That's your signature piece, dude, right? They're loving it. They know you by it. They can recognize it when you're not around. That's you. That's part of your brand. That's an expression of who you are. So find your signature piece and make a bunch of them. You know, a lot of jewelry artists aren't into mass production, and I admit that I am not. But if I find that someone has fallen in love with this piece, and I usually have a rule that I don't make the same piece more than 3 times. And the world is big, right? The world is humongous. But I feel like there should only be 3 of us walking around with that same piece. That would be myself and 2 other people, unless it's a special. Like when I celebrated my birthday earlier this month, and my gemstone is peridot, tomato, however you want to call it. And I decided, because I'm turning 42, or I just turned 42, that I'm going to make 42 of these rings as my birthday gift, as a giveaway, and that I'll have 42 people that were at my virtual birthday party. That's what I did. So that was my signature piece for that month because it represented me. It's a stone of compassion. I loved it and I celebrated with a lot of the rest of the Leos in the world. But so usually I don't offer that, my items like that. But if people are always saying, hey, I saw this that you made, are you making any more? Why not make an exception? And if you keep getting those requests, make that your signature piece because ta-da, that is your bestseller, right? And no, it's not all about the money, but it's about the connection. Your customers, your friends, your clients, whatever you want to call them. I always call them my boos and my sis, sisters. Yeah, that's what that's short for. I call them that because we've made a connection. So connect with your audience, connect with your customers. Make that signature piece that you're known by. Do you have a style that you use? That's your signature, right? So that is your Jewelry Tip Tuesday. If you are not a part of our members club, you definitely want to become a part of that because you get to see me more. You get to talk with me. There are live question and answer sessions every month. I teach basic jewelry, wire wrap 1, 2, and 3. Click the link in the description box below to find out more about that, because guess what? That's not what this video is about. We're just talking tips today. So just keep it with the tips, girl. And you see, I'm kind of goofy. I'm all high vibing over here, you guys, because I love sharing information with you. I love connecting with you. And if this has helped you at all, feel free to throw a comment in the box, right? Let's talk, let's chat it out, you know? So, anyway, Members Club. We're still taking enrollments. You definitely want to click on that. I'll give you monthly business tips, ebooks, and workbooks. You guys, we're going to talk about this. This is every month. Challenges, mindset, business, tutorials, all of that comes in with that membership club. You guys, you get special discounts to the other classes that I teach. What? Girl, you playing. No, I'm not, girl. Okay. So I will see you on the other side. I want you to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on anything that we're doing. Visit the website, earringsbyangela.com. All that jazz. Let's connect, ring the bell, be notified, and guess what? Keep high vibing, you guys, because when you keep your vibes high, you will gain new ideas and insights, which will, guess what, give you a burst into your creation. I'm not playing. So I will talk to you later. Ta-do.